superheroes at heart.
Hello and welcome to my CGC unboxing video number 21. Now today is not CGC, it's CBCS. They are signed books returned from their signature verification system. So let's get into it and let's see what we got. So straight off is a 9.4. It's Nick Fury number 6. And it's signed by Jim Steranko, and it is a homage to Nick Fury Agent of S.H.I.E.L.D. number 4. Next we have Strange Academy number 1. Why on earth is this an 8.5? Okay, I mean this is a rare, expensive book, which I did not expect to be only an 8.5, but it's Strange Academy number 1. It's Peach Momoko variant, and it is signed by Peach Momoko. Now when I look at this book, I can see some of those corners are slightly imperfect. Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is fortunately this is a 9.8. This is Stray Dogs number 5. It's probably the rarest, one of the rare, maybe not the rarest, but one of the rarer exclusives for Stray Dogs. It's double signed by Tony Rodriguez and Ryan Kincaid, and Pastime Comics exclusive. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, next we've got 9.4 Wolverine 55. This cover swipe of Crime Suspense Stories 22, which I'm sure most of you will recognise. It is signed by Jeff Loeb, and it's the Greg Land variant. And it's at 9.4. The last one, it's got a paperwork inside. It's only a 9. I never saw this book until it was pressed, cleaned and graded. I guess there's some more cleaning it could have done with, but anyway, this is Young Avengers number 6, the first appearance of Billy Kaplan as Wiccan, and it is signed by Jim Cheng. And that is the books for today. So yeah, pretty disappointing on those grades, but those are the chances you take when you don't get to look at them first, although I did see the Peach Momoko before I submitted it, and I thought that was a 9.4, and it's come back 8.5. So thanks very much for watching all the way to the end. It'll be there'll be some more books coming in the next few days or next week, so look forward to seeing you then. Thanks very much, and bye.